Oh, no, 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 no. Pants on backwards. Pants on backwards. Easy up. Easy. Pants on backwards. Tickle. You tickle. I'll tickle his foot. I'll tickle his foot. I'll do it. This time don't get you. Okay, I won't get you. No, I won't get you. I said I wouldn't get you. I said I would not get you. That's what I said. I said I would not get you, but I got you anyway. I got you anyway. Oh, pants on backwards. Oh, he's getting away. Oh, he's getting away. I can't hold him. He's too strong. He's too strong. Can't hold him. I got him. I got him, but I can't hold him. Pants are on backwards. Whoop, he's getting away. Whoa. Pants on backwards.
No, we put him on the right way.
What does Grandma say?
Oh no.
You don't care.
You can turn him around and put him on the right way.
Let's turn him around here. Let's get him ready here.
Once you get it organized, then he knows how to put him on himself, don't you, Jacob?
I know.
Okay, here you go.
I can.
Honey.
What? What?
Backwards.
What?
Backwards.
They're backwards. Oh, did Papa do that? Well, here, I'll get him the right way. Okay.
Yeah.
Here we go. You ready to put them on? Okay, get them squared away. Okay. Here you go. Put them on backwards.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, I'll put them on the right way.
Yeah.
Okay, put them on the right way. Ready? Yeah, here we go.
Backwards. Backwards.
Okay, here's for real.
This is backwards.
No, they're not backwards.
Yeah.
This is for real. Okay, now we're ready to put them on. Here you go. One foot in, the other foot in.
Backwards.
There you go. Pull them up. Pull them up. Just right. Just right. Just right. Just right. Got their pants on. Got their pants on.
They're not the right way. They're not on the right way.
They aren't.
Yeah, they are.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Are you extra sure?
Yeah.
Are you super sure? Are you everybody sure?
Yeah.
Oh, they look okay to me. They look okay to me. They look okay, don't they, Grandma?
No.
They look okay.